train together. You said I looked nice, I said you looked pretty. You held my hand, you pulled me close and whispered, take me home. We turned around as fast as we could and jumped on the very next train. I said I love you more than life. You said I feel the same. And we talked about nothing forever. We spoke to the walls, they told you a story. The world spun underneath our feet as we shut our exhausted eyes. We wrote our names in a heart on the sand and saw the sea wash it away. I said I want you in my life. She said okay. She was gonna go, but I said no, I don't think so. She looked at me, she smiled at me, and now I'll tell you what she said.
Do you like candy floss?
I said, yeah, it's alright. She said, take me to a fun fair, and we'll eat candy floss tonight.